Sticks and stones may break your bones, but words may never hurt you. I've heard that plenty of times in my life, and I really never thought anything of it. So let's have a men's mental health moment. I had my therapy session yesterday with my therapist and the adorable dog William. He's a super fluffy collie and he's a puppy. At any rate, so we're talking and I'm like, how do I fix this self-sabotage thing? I seem to get super close in a whole bunch of areas in my life, and then I just, unbeknownst to me, self-destruct. So, being that she's a therapist and super smart, she's like, let's talk about your childhood and stuff. And I'm like, well, what does that have to do with anything about me now self-sabotaging? That's how much I need therapy, because apparently I don't know these cool things. So we talk about my childhood. Well, what were the words spoken to you? I'm like, I don't know. I guess they were caring and kind and what have ya, and, full of joy and love. But unbeknownst to me, a whole bunch of words were spoken to me that are affecting me, like, you're average, you can't do that, you're gonna need to work hard because you're not smart, you're not good enough. That type of it affects your self-confidence. Thus, I was put in special education classes in school, which would be kind of defeating to my ego and self-esteem as well. Now, take it a step further. I'm like, well, that kind of self-talk sucks. How do I fix that? Well, she's the therapist, has all the answers, and the super cute dog, and all it really comes down to is self-affirmations and my self-talk. So now, affirming my self-worth and self-belief through affirmations. All right, super simple, super easy. Make it a great day. Bye.